Hi, today we're showing our Eppendorf centrifuge 5417R. Here's the display panel. It's a very clean unit. We've got it set for 7 degrees Celsius and the maximum 14,000 RPMs. I'm only going to put it on for 2 minutes because it'll show you, how it counts down that the clock is working. The RPMs will show that it goes up, and then of course the degrees Celsius. Overall, it's a very, very clean machine, as you can see. We clean them up pretty well. If there's any marks on it, scuff marks, we try to do the best we can to take it off. The back is fine as well. We did mention in our ad there's a scrape here. We don't paint these, but this is all you're going to see on the whole unit that may have a mark on it. Other than that, it's a pretty nice unit. The side here is fine, very clean. The refrigerator in the back, of course, very clean. The other side as well, and that's very clean on this side as well as here. So I'll get to the part to where the fun starts. So we'll just start this up right here, and it should go up to 14,000, which is your max. Once you meet your maximum RPMs, the zero will start flickering, and that means you've met your max. If you put it to 12,000. Then it would start blinking when you got to 12,000. I set this for 7, so it should go down to 7. And when we get to 7, it refrigerates pretty quickly. And here's the minutes. Once it gets down to 1 minute, it'll start counting in seconds. But as you can hear, it's very quiet. The only thing you'll ever hear, which is normal on this, is when the refrigerator kicks in. And that's not loud at all. It's just for a second at the beginning. But there you are. You're down to your 7 right now. And that'll go to 1400. In a couple seconds, that should change to a minute and count down in seconds. Okay, now you're counting down in seconds. You've met your maximum already. And again, the zero will always do that. That means you've hit your maximum that you've set. If you were at 12,999, that 9 would be blinking. So it means you've met your maximum. We've met what we set was 7 degrees. So I'm going to actually stop this so we don't have to make a movie out of this. So I'm going to stop it and let you listen to it as it winds down. Again, it's very quiet. And then you have your fast cools, soft and short. Very, very simple setup, but a really nice machine altogether. But I'll open it up once we get down to 0 RPMs. That means we've timed out. We're just waiting for the rotor to stop. And once I open up the lid, then you'll see the ice that was formed from the refrigerator. So that shows you the refrigerator works very quickly to maintain the temperature. It didn't take long to get there. Okay, there's your signal telling you it's ready. The spring loaded comes right up. Pop it. The spring works on it. And if you open it up, first of all, here's how the fridge worked. This is all ice, so I'm going to scrape it off so you can see that's ice right there. The refrigerator worked very well. It's cold to my touch, but there's some ice right there, right around the whole cylinder. When that's not present, it looks just like steel. This right here is your rotor for the 5417, as it says. And if I can get your part number straight for you so that you know, just as advertised, it's an FA-45-30-11, and it holds 30 tubes. This is a little bit hard because now it's a little bit cold. And then there's your tube holder. The rotor itself is very clean too. So there's your 30 place right there. Sorry about the out of focus, but I think you get the point. Let me just put it back on. And that's it. So we'll shut this down. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. If you need any more videos, please call us. We'll do some videos for you. I don't know what else we can do for you. We do print the manual out, and we either email you a link to the manual, which seems to be easier for everybody, but that's what we do, or else we'll send it. There is the refrigerator, you can hear, will go on. If you're not using it, it will go on. That means it's on standby, and that means that when you want to use the unit, that it just gets it cooler that much easier. Okay, thanks a lot.